Interactive brokers versus Ameritrade, which is best for investing. Hi guys, today I am comparing interactive brokers to Ameritrade and we will figure out which is best for investing in 2021. So let's get started. Now, Ameritrade is an amazing investing app that allows you to invest, and it has a lot of investment products and tools and platforms, for example retirement tools, investing tools, and trading tools as well. When we talk about interactive brokers, it has a excellent trading tool and low margin interest rates. And when we compare them both, I can say that the opening argument would be that interactive brokers is excellent for trading, but when it comes to retirement plans and other investment tools as well, Ameritrade is the winner. So now we will just figure out why I said that, and different comparisons. What are the pros and cons of Ameritrade and what are the pros and cons of interactive brokers? So let's go ahead and check out Ameritrade first. You can see right here, this is what Ameritrade looks like. The sign up process for both of these websites is completely easy. You sign up with your information and your Google account, and it depends on your country if trading investing app allows your country to invest or not. But most of the time they do. All of the investing apps, they actually allow investment and traders from almost all the countries, and that's a good thing about both of these websites. They allow traders from all over the world. So when we look at tools and platforms, I will simply click on Ameritrade and we will check out their tools and platforms, and then we will compare it to interactive brokers. Now, interactive brokers is amazing in a way where I told you that they have low margin rates that actually makes it a little different than others. So yeah, trading tools and platforms of Ameritrade. So when it comes to platforms, you can see right here that they have web platform, Thinkorswim platform, and mobile trading as well. So there are different platforms. So you can see right here that Ameritraders have actually given a comparison, but it's not with interactive brokers but with other investing apps. So from here we can actually get an idea about Ameritrader, that how does this works. You can see free access to all trading platforms, yes. Free access to real time streaming codes and level codes, yes. Live help via in-app chat, that's a yes too. So you can see it has a good customer service. When we talk about customer service, Ameritrade is better than interactive brokers, because that's what I have noticed. And when we talk about the pros and cons of interactive brokers, you can see right here: pros: superior order execution, excellent trading tool, low margin interest rates. When it comes to cons, IBKR smart router not available, does not support cryptocurrencies, can be intimidated to less experienced and less active investors. Here are some big differences. Ameritrade, I told you that it has a lot of investment products, and when it comes to investment products and trading, it involves cryptocurrency as well. But on interactive brokers, you will not find cryptocurrency. So that's actually a very big drawback nowadays, because when everything is online and crypto is available everywhere, and like it's the future, right? And now we have even moved to NFTs, and cryptocurrency trading is trending. So in this era, it becomes a little difficult for interactive brokers because they do not have cryptocurrencies. But while on the other hand, Ameritrade has cryptocurrency as well. So when we talk about stocks, you can see order routing that continuously seeks price involvement. There are ETFs as well. When it comes to mutual funds or cash management and bonds and CDs, you can see right here. When we talk about Ameritrade, you can see right here that there are different stocks. If I click on stocks, stock splits, option, EFTs, features forex. Forex is also available. Margin trading is also available. So that's pretty good. Cryptocurrency trading, managed portfolio is cryptocurrency trading. If I go to cryptocurrency trading, you will be able to get an idea how cryptocurrency trading works on Ameritrade. You can see that they are actually working on it, and they have, you can do crypto trading right here. They're also working to, get NFTs. I read somewhere then now they're also working on NFTs, so that's pretty amazing. But if we talk about interactive brokers, no such thing as NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and stuff like that. But when it comes to stocks, long, short stocks, all are available. Mutual funds is available. Corporate, municipal, treasury series, international bonds are available, and futures and futures options. So it has a lot of cool options available on interactive brokers. If we talk about being beginners friendly, then we can say that interactive broker, you will find beginners right here, low investors. That's actually a con. On interactive brokers, very new investors and very low price investors are found here. That's actually a good thing and a bad thing too. But when it comes to Ameritrade, it's one of the very, among the top rated platforms. So it has big investors, it has big stocks, it has big investors that are ready to invest money. So you will find good investors on Ameritrade as compared to interactive brokers. So yeah, that's how it actually works. And interactive brokers, I actually don't know the pronunciation well. I have heard brokers also and brokers also. So you can just, call it anything. When we go to the rating, both of them are rated, like you can see it is 4.5 rated. So okay, now let me take you to a comparison between these two, a direct comparison where now I will be, comparing them. So this is the comparison where I will tell you about different assets and what interactive brokers have and what Ameritrade has. So when it comes to short sales, interactive brokers, yes, and Ameritrade, yes. When it comes to commission free, interactive brokers have a fee of 96 and Ameritrade has all fees. And when it comes to bonds and future commodities, future option, complex options, robo adversary, all of these options are available in both of these. Cryptocurrency, interactive brokers, yes, and Ameritrade, yes. Now, Bitcoin futures. This is about the future. Interactive brokers do not have cryptocurrency for now, and they do not used to, but they do feature Bitcoin. When it comes to international exchange, both of them have it. Forex, both of them have it. These are actually, kind of a comparison in which you can see that they're almost similar. They're very similar. So when it comes to tools and things like that, you can say that both of them are good in their own way. Ameritrade is good for retirement plans, good for investment, good for trading. If you're looking for all-in-one platform, a platform where you will actually find these amazing investment tools, then I think Ameritrade is an amazing option. And when we talk about interactive brokers, what's gonna happen here is that it's good for investment. It has forex, it has stocks, it has bonds, but low investments will be fine here. The customer service of Ameritrade is better than interactive B, so you can say that it's a good app also if you want to use it for as a beginner. If you're looking for wide range of offerings, then I think you should go with interactive brokers. So another good thing about Ameritrade is that they have retirement plans and they have educational plans as well, where you can invest and learn. Pretty amazing. If I just take you to the pricing of Ameritrade real quick before going to the end, let me show you around the pricing right here. You can see that stocks online are $0, and its interactive voice response is $5 and broker assist is $25. So it's not that expensive. When it comes to stocks, ETFs, you can see commission fee 0, IVR is 5, broker assisted is 25. When it comes to mutual fund, no load 49, but no transaction fee. There is no transaction fee. That's pretty good. When it comes to option, online is 0 and 0.65 fee per contract. So that's what you need to check on Ameritrade. They have a fee of 0.65 per contract. Most of the investing app actually do have, but as we talk about Interactive Brokers, they do not have any kind of such fee. It's commission free, so that's pretty amazing. And I think this brings us to the end of the video, and I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you will be able to compare Ameritrade with Interactive Brokers, and they're good in their own way. When you're looking for an investing app, go ahead and check them out as well. And I hope that now you will be able to invest in good app in 2021. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.